This 2024 Coachmen Apex Nano 213 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 25 feet 1 inch in length and features a casino decor interior, sleeps 6, microwave, air conditioning, awning, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, spare tire kit, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, LP detector, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features Couples Coach. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Coachmen Apex Nano 213 is 4,244 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.